Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gravy Gobi Kai Sabzi using an easy method. This flavorful Indian dish is perfect for any meal and surprisingly simple to prepare at home. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including a medium head of cauliflower, and preparing our aromatic spices. Then, we will finely chop one large onion and 2 ripe tomatoes to form the base of our rich gravy. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the cauliflower. First, blanch the florets in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp, but still hold their shape. This step helps them cook evenly and absorb flavors better. Drain them thoroughly and set them aside. For an extra layer of texture and flavor, lightly fry these florets in a pan until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. This adds a wonderful depth to the final dish. Next, we'll create the heart of our Gobi Sabzi, the rich, aromatic gravy. Begin by sautéing your finely chopped onions in a pan until they become beautifully golden brown and translucent. Then, add a spoonful of ginger garlic paste and cook it for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in your tomato puree along with all the dry spices. Cook this mixture patiently, stirring occasionally, until the oil begins to separate from the masala, indicating it's perfectly cooked. We're almost there. Now, gently add your perfectly fried cauliflower florets into the simmering, flavorful gravy. Mix everything well, ensuring each piece of cauliflower is coated in the delicious sauce. Let it simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Serve your hot gravy Gobi Kai Sabzi with rice or naan, and enjoy this easy, homemade delight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.